Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show some really easy and last minute DIY Christmas decor ideas. I hope you like the video, and if you do then please do subscribe, like and share. So let's get started with today's video.
Okay, so I'm gonna start by decorating my Christmas tree because this is the main thing. So for my Christmas tree, I have already entangled it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put all the decoration items on it. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but I'm gonna fill the Christmas tree with all the decoration items that I have present here.
So after decorating the tree, I'm gonna start putting the lights because without lights the tree looks quite dull. So I'm gonna start by putting the fairy lights. I've taken the color purple. You can take any simple color, it looks nice with the Christmas tree. So I'm gonna take the lights and put it all around the Christmas tree. It's gonna take some time, but it's gonna look awesome on the tree. And there you go, the Christmas tree is all ready, and let the lights get off and you'll see the final look. Here you go. So now I'm gonna start putting lights on my balcony. After this I'm putting green fairy light, and it looks amazing because it's Christmas, and that's why I've taken the color green with it. I'm gonna take the paper clips to hold the lights so that it doesn't come out. And now the light gets off, and this is how it looks. It just gives a vibrant look to my room, and I just love the way that turned out. Simple lights can just change your room totally. Okay, for the next decoration items I'm gonna take a red color, fold it just like this, and now with the help of a scale and a pencil I'm gonna draw two lines just like this. I hope the line looks visible, and now I'm gonna cut it out with the help of a scissor. After cutting out you get two pieces, so now I'm also gonna cut from the middle of it. So you make 9 of them because I want to write the word Christmas on them. Now take these colorful alphabet stickers and put each one of them on the paper. Now for the middle alphabet, that is S, I've taken a different shape paper. Now take a thread and stick these planks with the help of a sellotape on the thread. Do this with all the alphabets. Now turn them around and this is how it looks. It is super easy and it just vibrant your room completely. Now for the next hack, take white plain papers. With the help of a rounder, draw two circles, one a big one and the other one for a small. Take another white paper and attach it. With the help of a scissor, cut the circles, but be careful that you don't cut the two circles separately. You have to cut it along with them. After cutting it, you get these two circle snowman. Now we have to make a hat for the snowman. For this I'm taking a red paper and I'm gonna make a hat with the help of a pencil. Cut the hat with the help of a scissor and you will get two hats now. Stick it with the help of a glue just like this. With the help of a sketch pen, I'm gonna make its nose, its eyes and its smile. The snowmans are ready. Now take a thread and attach it with the help of a tape on the back of the snowman so you can hang them. Do it for both the snowmans and this is how it looks. I'm gonna take one very long and the one very short and this is how it looks. For the next hack, take a circle piece from a cardboard, then wrap this garland thing around it completely. After wrapping it, take a bell or anything that you want. You can even take a ribbon. I have taken this bell and now I'm gonna tie this around it. And it's done. Your Christmas holy last minute is all ready. Just hang it on your wall or wherever you want to and this is how it looks.